Hey family, I'm back and today we're going to talk about XAUUSD and DXY. So you know already how I roll, and what we're gonna do now is basically try and analyze XAUUSD, and we are gonna do this by changing our chart to the line chart. As we can see, we can clearly see our highs and lows here. Mark out the important levels, which is resistance and support, demand and supply, however you want to call it. Once that is set and done, you can then move on to drawing your equilateral channel. Okay, this is very important because you need to check or have a view of the market as it should be. This is really important. So once that is set and done, you can see that price is basically retraced all the way to our buying point. This is where I'm putting my line right now. I'll put a horizontal ray, and then it bounced off. But according to what I'm able to see, it seems like it has not yet completed the downward move. So it's still going to sell all the way to 1890. Okay, there's still room for failure. Okay, gold should drop within the next few days unless we break above the 2007 zone. So for as long as we're below 2007 zone this week, we should be trading on the sell side. Okay, the prominent moves will be on the sell side. Hence I am maintaining my focus on the 1942 and then 1890 zone. Okay guys, so this is basically my outlook of the market for this week. Okay, so yeah, I used the Fibonacci retracement, the Gann box, and all these tools just to mark out important levels for me. Okay, so as you can see, if gold breaks above the 2007 zone all the way to the 2021 zone, I believe that there's now there will be room or a change of direction in the trend. Okay, if that happens. But if that doesn't happen and gold remains below it, we should be looking to sell. Okay, on a smaller time frame, as you can see, I drew a trend line which obviously can be broken, but on the smaller time frame, since we're on the daily, on the 4 hour, you'll be able to see that this is actually a perfect selling opportunity, because price is just rejected as soon as it touched that zone, tapped in that zone, and it's still below our Gann box. Okay, it's still below our Gann box, but you have to bear something in mind. If you draw an equilateral channel, which is an ascending channel in this case, starting from the 1935 zone all the way upwards to the 1990 zone, you will realize that price should go up a bit and test the zone once more, and then it drops. Well, this can happen anywhere, anytime between market open, okay, until London session. This can happen. So basically, if you trade London like me and New York session, the perfect time to enter would be when price retests that zone. Okay, but if you find price already moving, do not have the fear of missing out. Wait for the perfect entry. This is the most important thing I can ever teach you. Wait for the most perfect entry. You might be wondering why I haven't been publishing new strategies so that you guys are able then to use and whatever. Well, I haven't done this because I'm currently working on a few things which will be really good for you on the long run. So I just hope you keep yourself subscribed to this channel and learn more as I work hard to publish more content. The other thing I want to say is I use DXY as my first technical indicator. Okay, before using moving averages, stochastic oscillator, awesome oscillator, and all these other oscillators, I use DXY. The dollar index is the best indicator you can have, and according to what I've just realized, this week is showing that DXY has been saturated. Okay, it has sold for a very long time, and there should be a reversal, a trend change. Okay, And if that happens, then there's room for gold to drop like crazy. I believe that you can hold your sell positions for the rest of the week if DXY goes up. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is really important. So yeah, that is my prediction. Price could go up and then test the other zone and drop. That's if we break above the previous high. Okay, if that doesn't happen and it remains where it is, then just look for sells. Okay, find a perfect entry and then you enter, and then yeah, ride the trend. Okay, yeah, so this is basically what I'm illustrating here. Moving on. Okay, so we're here with DXY, and as you can see, DXY on the daily time frame looks to be heading into an order block on the daily time frame. Okay, and when that happens, price stops, accumulates or distributes, and then moves into the other direction. Okay, so what we are going to look for on the smaller time frames, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour on DXY, is basically for a reversal chart pattern. Okay, once you find that pattern forming, then you should be able to confidently hold your sell positions on gold. Okay, but if it continues to drop, then gold should continue to rise. Hence, you have to conduct a very good technical analysis based on your knowledge and insight. Okay, and throughout the week you can make changes to your analysis, you know, because there are a lot of factors which might influence your technical analysis. This is fundamentals. Okay, so if there should be news releases this week which will affect the pairs that you're trading, then make a few adjustments to your current analysis. Okay, because this is pre-market open analysis. We do not know yet what's going to happen throughout the week, although we have the economic calendar already stating what's going to happen this week, but we don't have the impact of the news yet. So basically, this is where I expect DXY to stop dropping and then go all the way up. If it continues to drop, then that's the last place I'd want it to go, and hence I'm marking out that place. Okay, so you should expect DXY to climb only after it has reached both those rectangular GAN box. Okay, the other thing I wanted to say, which is really important, is I would like to thank each and everyone that has been following my channel since the beginning, for the faithful viewers, you know, all the way from Nigeria, South Africa, and other countries which I really haven't been paying attention to, but I know that I have people from all over the world watching this channel. Believe me that as time goes by, you will begin to realize that I'm learning more with you or from you than you from me, and this is good. I'll keep on sharing the knowledge, and I hope that you guys succeed in your trading career, and hopefully most of you become full-time traders. Okay, so guys, this is basically my market overview. Okay, DXY going up and then gold dropping, and also calculate the distance Okay, you can see that DXY should be climbing up very far, which means gold should be dropping very far as well.